Yes, we're finally out of the documentation desert that we were in. So we'll be returning to normal coding videos at least for a while. Um, yeah, I thought we'd start off with a technique called unit testing. What is unit testing? Unit testing is basically the testing the internal logic of a specific function and testing if it will do what you expect it to do. And you do this by controlling every input and then seeing if you get the function returns the expected output. And in that way, you'll know if the logic works as you expect it to. But yeah, so you can just exchange any inputs the function has as normal, but sometimes a function will make a reference to another function in its logic, in its internal code, and we'll call this second function that the code is referring to function B. But you also need to switch out this function because this function is also an input. If at least if the function returns a certain value, which it does. But yeah, so you can exchange this function not in the actual function that you're testing. So you can exchange function B by by changing the class the function B is in with and exchanging it with another function. You do this by creating a base class for the class function B is in, and then just making class function B is in a subclass to this base class, and then you can create a second fake base class that returns the exact inputs that you want it to. So that's how unit testing works.